Yo, what is up, guys? This is your boy Jacob. I'm making a video of a rocket launch in Cape Canaveral, Florida, and it will be in a few minutes. Wait for it.
It's over there, Jacob.
Oh, there it is.
That big line is the rocket launch, just so you know. And that is the rocket launch right there. Is going up into the sky. Is above the clouds right now.
That was cool.
I'd like to give a shout out to Bebida Productions. They make some pretty cool videos and not so cool videos. It's up in the skies right now. As you can see, it's headed right now, up in the clouds. So does Bebida Productions.